How to select a network operator manually on Android. This is useful if you're having network issues, traveling, or want to connect to a specific carrier. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, tap Connections. Then select Mobile Networks. Now, tap Network Operators. By default, Select Automatically is turned on, which lets your phone connect to the strongest available network automatically. To choose a network yourself, simply turn Select Automatically off. Your phone will start searching for all available mobile networks nearby. This may take a few seconds. Once the search is complete, you'll see a list of available network operators. Tap the network you want to connect to and wait while your phone registers on that network. If the selected network is supported by your SIM card and carrier, your phone will connect successfully. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more Android tutorials and how-to guides.